a pic and seeing what sound TikTok gives me part 3.
One eye open when I'm sleeping. One eye.
Mog. Oh, I'm in college.
Taking a photo and seeing what song TikTok gives me.
When your legs don't work like they used to before.
Alright, Des, you up first. Let's see what sound they make. Okay. Okay.
Smile, let's see how TikTok describes you. 3, 2, 1. Alright, let's see what sound you get.
I think the next plot twist is that things are about to get really good.
Ooh.
Oh, princess. Princess, where are you? You can what?